Hey you all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to take you through the process of decluttering wardrobe, which really is a therapy, I would say. So if you are really in a zone where you just don't feel like doing anything, no need to do anything, just go clear your wardrobe. And I'm telling you, this process is something really relaxing and साथ में काम भी हो जाता है नहीं. So I did this process and it really did help me throughout. So I will show you how my wardrobe looked like and how it now looks like. So let's proceed. This is what my wardrobe looks like. It's completely messed up, as you can see. Ignore my hair. So now I'm just going to, move all the clothes on the bed so it's easy for us to pick out which we want to keep and which we just don't want to keep. The process will take some time, and I do know it has taken me like 2 to 3 weeks to convince myself to do this because it's a high time I should do it. There are so many clothes which I am just not wearing it, and I'm not wearing it because they don't fit me or they're my favorite. And as any other girl has this section in their wardrobe, right, which you will wear once you lose weight. So I have that section, and I don't have place for new clothes. Plus, whenever I am planning to get ready or I'm just searching for some outfit, I in my mind I will be like, okay, I'll be wearing that outfit. It will fit me really good. This that, and when I wear it, trust me, it doesn't fit me properly, and I just don't look what I imagined myself in. So right now I have forced myself, and I'm just doing this process so that I can let go of some of my clothes, at least if not all. But I'm going to try my best to just let each and every cloth out. Oh my god, this is what my pet looks like. So let's begin. This top is really an easy choice for me as I've not worn it much. I might wear it more and it gives me a good vibe, so I'm going to keep it. I was really confused what to pick because just didn't know where to start. And this silver dress I've never worn, and it doesn't give me that great vibes anymore. So this is just going to go to a donation bag. So I'm happy. Yay! So good. These are my Indian wear belts for my sari, so I'm gonna keep them away and not in my regular wardrobe. So yes, these are gonna be on the side, somewhere on the bed right now, but I'm gonna keep them in a different place later on. When I started this process, I really didn't know how much I'm gonna enjoy, how much I really would want to be like, I'll go ahead with this. But now when I see, I am happy that I did it because it was really needed. And frankly, in the beginning, I was very much confused about what to pick up, what not to pick up, what should I just let it go. But when I started this process, even after two clothes after that silver dress, it was so easy for me to just pick up, and I was like, okay, let it go, it's fine. And it was really great to use Marie Kondo method to just go with the flow. And I'm happy that I actually went with this. And I would suggest each one of you to just try if you are in a zone where you just are, not very much clear and you just don't know what to do. You just clear your wardrobe if it is messy as mine. And if not, then still try to just let go of those clothes which you don't wear or which does not give you a very good vibe, because for me it happens a lot that I don't feel good about a cloth and I will still wear it and then I feel very bad about it, and next time I'm never wearing it. It's in my wardrobe, it's kept, but I am not wearing it. So I made sure none of that cloth is in my wardrobe anymore, and I just made sure I am keeping all those which I just love and which I am going to wear very excitedly each time I go out. And also during this process, I realized it is really important to do this process every 6 months or at least a year, because it just clears your mind. It lets you know what all clothes you have, what are fitting, what are not fitting. You just let them out. This is my dress, like got set. I ordered it from Shein and I felt I will keep it. But to be very frank, later on, I did not keep this because the pant did not fit me and I somewhere felt the colors not doing justice to me. So I just let it go off. It was in a confusion category for some time, but then it went. It had to go. Also, my some of the pants which I bought like 2 years back and I did not wear them once. I did not style them once. Had to go because they were not fitting me and in my cupboard they were just occupying space, which was the main purpose for doing this declutter video. But also I think I came across a lot of clothes which I never worn or which I've still not worn, and I am just going through the process of pairing it up with the existing dresses and existing pants and existing skirts, shorts I have, so that I can wear them. And I'm happy that I did this process, guys. After doing this process, I think I did this a week back, and now I look back and till date I am like every second day I'm just like no, I'm not keeping it. I also threw this light green color shirt later on because initially I thought, okay, this looks good. I might wear it, but frankly, I've not worn it once, and the color just made me feel bad. So I just let it go off. This orange shirt, I have worn it like only once, but I do have photos in this dress. Like, check my Instagram, and you can see I have like 30 photos in this shirt. So I don't know how long it will stay, but for now it will stay. I was really happy doing this process, but because, as I mentioned, at the end, I just kept everything what I wanted. And I did change a lot of things as well. So at the end, it was all what I would keep for a longer period of time. And now I have more space to shop more, so I'm more happy about it. This dress, it's actually one of those which is not going out of my wardrobe, and it's not even coming handy for me to use it because whenever I wear this dress, it's like it's not very much going with the event, and then I just feel like okay, maybe next time I'll wear it, and then I'm not able to wear it. So right now I am just trying to let it stay in my wardrobe, but I don't know how long it will stay, frankly. I'm just searching for a perfect place for my dress and coat, and I'm done. This skirt gives a very Korean vibe. I still have to style it, but yes, I'm gonna keep it, and it goes to my wardrobe. I still have to pair it up. Maybe on my Instagram, you can check. In next few days, I'll style it with something and post it. This denim skirt is so amazing. I got it from H&M, and I still have to wear it. Okay, so this is a cord set actually, which I bought like 2 years back, and it doesn't fit me. So it's just going to a donation bag. And this is one of the dress which I have worn actually. I got it for the photo shoot of my pre-wedding, and I wore it once. For now, I really don't know if it will stay or not, but maybe I'll just let it go because I do know I'm not gonna wear it anytime soon. And this pink dress, I've worn it once, yes, but this I'm gonna keep it because it's really, really cute. And for late night evening dinners, for evening tea, I can just wear it. For evening tea, this is a perfect dress, which makes me just wonder like why I will let it go. I'm not letting it go, guys. And yes, my top fell, so I had to just put it back on a different hanger. This top, I have been planning to wear it since a very long time, but as it's a crop top, I still am. I think I know I have to just buy a high vest jeans, and it will wonderful with it. This blue blazer is my, like, it's with me since last 10 years. It's my college blazer, but I think I just have to let it go because it's been very long and someone else can wear it. Frankly, I'm not wearing it. This is a cord set and I've worn it twice and it looks beautiful. But recently, because of my weight, I just thought it is something I don't want to wear. But I checked and it just goes really great for me, and I've just kept it. Maybe after 2 3 months, I just keep it in a donation box, but for now it stays with me. Now that bag has all my Indian saris which I spoke about earlier, and I'm just gonna keep it aside because these are the dresses I'm just gonna wear once a year and they are good with my luggage. And with this, I'm proud to say that we come to an end of this video, and I am just so happy to say this. So this side, I have kept all my formals, my office wear, shirts, blazers, and that's it. I have removed all the clutter from here, and I have one or two dresses such as this one. And then I also have my purse. You might have seen this hanger on Shein for keeping your multiple purse. So for now, I am still using it. And yes, that is all for the side. And also on the top, I have kept all my purse which have not been used yet, but they have a dedicated place for now. And let me also show you what I've done to the other side. So this is what clothes look like right now. So now maybe they are not extremely clean as we see in others video, but at least I don't have to struggle searching for my clothes, and I can very easily manage this. And also the bottom one I have just cleaned and kept one bag. And yes, so I'm happy. And frankly, initially I was really scared how things are going to look like, but at the end everything went smoothly and nicely.